Hi, I'm Shonna Murrey with the Iowa Real Estate Team, brokered by eXp Realty. Today we're going to talk about secrets to get your home looking great for your photos when you go to sell. Prepping your home to get ready to list is very important. The first thing that potential buyers see are your pictures on the internet. Let's talk about what needs to happen first before a photographer comes to your house. Your house needs to be clean and decluttered. And when I say decluttered, that means that you don't have things left on the counter or that you have other items just laying around. Let's go to a couple different rooms of your house. Your living room. We want to make sure that the space feels very inviting. So we want to make sure that you have minimal things on shelves. You want to get rid of knickknacks. And you also want to make sure that you get rid of excessive furniture. Also, if you have tables, you can do a place setting as well. Bedrooms. We want to make sure that your bed is neatly made. So make sure that there's no wrinkles, that there are throw pillows, and maybe some pops of color as well. If you're going to have your master closet photographed, make sure that it is organized as well. Remove laundry and declutter your bathroom. Kitchens and bathrooms sell a house. So you want to make sure that your kitchen and your bathroom are staged correctly. In your kitchen, make sure that the countertops are cleared off. You don't want any excessive appliances on your countertops. This includes blenders, toasters. If you have a butcher block that has knives in it, all of that need to be cleared off because what it's telling a buyer is that you don't have enough storage space. And you want them to make sure that they're looking at your beautiful kitchen and not everything on your countertops. In your bathroom is another important area that you want to make sure is staged correctly. That means, again, your countertops are clean and they are cleared off. You want to make sure that any used towels are put away. Any laundry baskets or hampers are not sitting out. You want to make sure that the toilet seat is closed. This is a huge, huge one. Make sure that your toilet seat is closed. Nobody wants to see that. Make sure that there are no personal items hanging as well. You would not believe how many personal items I have seen hanging up in a bathroom, so we want to make sure that those are all put away. The most important thing that I want to remind you is to make sure that all the lights are on in the home and all the curtains are open. You want as much natural light as possible, and you want to make sure that it feels light, bright, and airy. Those are my secrets for making sure that your house photographs great. Again, this is Shonna Murrey with the Iowa Real Estate Team, brokered by eXp. If you have any questions about buying or selling or any other real estate needs, please give me a call at the number below.